It started to rain. We're gonna try and go to the rainforest and go swimming in some waterfalls. And the rain's already dying down. It like came down as like a huge downpour, and it's already kind of quiet and just real misty. So this house has the strangest door. Okay, so there's this, right? But this doesn't actually move. It just unlocks this large door. Cause that makes sense. It's raining.
No, it's not.
It's not raining. Mom said this doesn't count as rain. It's just like the sky is crying.
This is just witness. It's not rain.
Waterfalls. It's not coming from the waterfall though, right? This is like from the sky. Everybody good? Nobody fall down the waterfall.
Kate taking pictures from
Woo!
there.
Yay! 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 We're gonna walk up this thing now. Ah, and get out of the rain. We're headed to a waterfall, where we can swim. And we've discovered that we are all incredibly shaky for unknown reasons. How's everybody doing? Meh. Meh. Where are his parents? Where are parents gone? Where have they gone? How are you guys feeling? Yay. Not so shaky? Little shaky. We don't know why. We all drank. We all ate. We don't know. Oh well, you know.
I should be gone, cast away, and still I love you through all peace and hate. In light of all darkest things, the fire glimmers and the darkness sings. If you should go, I should be gone, cast away, and still I love you through all peace and hate.
Hello? Cold. That's cold. I'm like, it's not so bad now. I'm okay now. Yeah. Now that my lips are probably blue. Traveler swag.
When we were coming down there, we said,
Good job. Now take it home. So I got a plantain and steak, which is pretty good. Jade's rice is like to die for though. It's coconut rice, which is fantastic. They have served us a fair amount of alcohol, which is great. The food took forever though, and the alcohol was fast. This is guava sauce, and it is actually the best thing ever. It's super sweet, and I don't know, Jay, what else? It's super sweet. And what else?
you threw suitcase into it.
Oh no, a suitcase got some on him. Tasty.
Yeah, that's stage.
No, I'm sorry. Judy, I think your shadow is blocking him. Up there he is.
There's a
Big snail. And there's more like on the. What? What? What?
His shadow to point to the.
Oh, thanks, Daddy. Oh, good job. Yes, I found it. So apparently there's snails on the steps, so don't step on a snail. We're getting in the pool in the hot tub now.
No, you can go. You're good. Go.
Go ahead, Jet.
Wait, someone has to come in with me.
Hot tub. Are you good?
I have no idea. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall and I'm gonna die. No, you're good.
I mean, Believe in the power of money. That's my strategy.
Does not seem to be
If it
getting
broke,
any more.
they'd get sued. They wouldn't get any more money.
I made it.
See? I told you. Power of money. Woo!
Oh, tidal wave!
We hot tub now, yes?
Guys,
We hot
look,
tub.
I'm stopping the spillway.
Uh-oh.